Hello, Chef here. Another fine rainy day. I thought I'd share something with you. So, if you're watching this channel, then you already know that I like to drink a lot of tea. Tea is good for you. I encourage you to drink more tea. So here we go. So I've got a chai tea bag. This comes from England. Very high quality. Hot water. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Now it doesn't take very long to get the flavor. So right there, it's looking good. And we got this beautiful little tangerine right here. I'm going to show you what I like to do. Move the tea out of the way here just for a moment. Gold slicing knife. Very, very nice. You can see that. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're going to do some thin slices. And I do believe the whole orange can be utilized in the tea. So right there's the first one. Can drop that baby right in. Yeah, the orange of course has been washed. Now I'm releasing some of the citrus oils. Very good for you. I think I will zoom in here and show you just how amazing this knife is. Okay, here we go. Thin slices like this. Okay, you can almost see through that. Beautiful, nice thin slices. I'm gonna cut a couple more of these. Okay, just like this. Okay, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna repeat a few more slices like this. Really, really nice. Beautiful. If you want to try this knife out, visit the sponsor. And I'm going to repeat on the opposite side as well. Okay, give it a little quick ones here. Okay. Leave an answer down below in the comments. We'll see if anyone knows what this is right here. Okay. Okay. The last thing I have for you here, I'm going to be adding some of this juice into my tea. Oh, it's golden. Beautiful. Then, let's check it out. Cheers to your health. That's really good. The citrus flavors coming through there. Put in another small piece like this just for garnish. Looks really nice. You should try this. Chai tea à la orange in French. Tea de l'orange. And then I'm going to take these remaining pieces here and put them on this pizza stone. Have a beautiful day. Yeah. Oh, that's going to be good. One of the benefits of cooking with a titanium gold knife like this, you rinse it off, you wipe it, it's clean, it's good to go again, beautiful, and it's completely non-reactive. Doesn't react to almost anything out there, so it's great. I like it. Super quality knife, and you can get yours just by visiting the sponsor right there. Have a great day. Wow, now this knife is super sharp. That's it. That's your tip of the day. If you need to get a sharpening steel like this, or you want a really cool serrated knife, check out the sponsor. Please like, share, subscribe, and keep cooking. Have a great day.